One of the things I really want you to learn about is how to buy and store spices. Whole spices, like cinnamon or cloves, start to lose their powerful flavour and fragrance once they're ground. There are two enemies of spice stored in glass jars. One is light and the other is air once the spice is half used. We have discovered a company that has pioneered dealing with these two problems. Appropriately enough, they're called Seasoned Pioneers. Their spices are high quality and cleverly packed in foil pouches to shield them from light. Then, when you begin to use the spice, you can reseal them, squeezing out any air. They're great not just for cake making, but for all cooking, and you can find details of this British company here online.